1348 European. We're in a beautiful gated community. We do have grass in the front. So we have tile at the entry, carpet on the stairs, and laminate off to the left. So we have lots of different flooring just when you first walk in. We see a lot of these beveled ceilings from houses of this price range. Undermount sink and houses from this time period. There's a pet door there. This house probably needs a full repaint to make it feel fresh again. Insulation on the doors. I'm not sure if that third car garage opener is connected. Carpet looks pretty good so far. These are pieces that have been just placed onto the wall. Where's the... Okay, the lights are in very odd places. This is just kind of a weird setup. Wow, these rooms just connect in all different ways. Oh, that was really odd. Okay, the light's not working in here, but we have vinyl flooring in this laundry room with, there we go, shelves, cabinets. Okay, the master should be over here. So we have the double doors, plantation shutters. Okay, that's just paint. That is a beautiful view. Some flagstone pavers over there. The view is really beautiful.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
Okay.